Hey guys, here we are at Sema 2022 Launchpad with Jake from GlueTread. We're going to talk with him a little bit about a product that is actually very vital to our off-road community. Everybody has been out on the trail, cut a sidewall, had a sidewall issue, and there's never been much of a way to repair them. These guys have taken care of that for us. Hi Jake, pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Tell us a little bit more about your product.
Yeah, as you can see here on our display, we offer a variety of products. They range in all different prices. So this is our cheapest priced kit. This goes for about $10 on our website and Amazon. This goes for about $120 normally.
Okay.
We are selling it for $95 this week at Sema.
Nice.
It's a little show price. Yeah, so we offer a variety of patches. We have a 4.5 by 4 inch patch. We have a 3 inch by 1.5 inch patch. We also have a smallest patch of 1.5 by 1.5 inches. These patches are meant to go directly on the outside of your tire. We market it as a temporary emergency, get you off the trail, get you home type of fix. We have had people use it for hundreds, if not 1,000 miles, and it's lasted longer than the life of the tire.
Right, yeah, no, I could see that.
Yeah.
The way I saw it online, it really shows that it almost is stronger than what's next
Oh,
to it.
and absolutely, and I can even show you that here. It's almost like a chemical weld.
Yeah,
And you
see, it
can
bonds
even-
together.
You can even see, I mean, you can pull it as hard as you want. It's not going to come down.
No, you'll rip the pre-existing rubber
And
before
that's,
that.
yeah, absolutely. The rubber fails before the adhesive does.
That's awesome, because we go out, and in Arizona, our rocks are probably about as sharp as they get.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, we go through brand new tires.
Right.
I just cut right through the sidewall.
Yeah, and absolutely. With the price of tires nowadays, who wants to go buy a $300, $400 tire when you can buy a $25 or even a $50 kit to save you?
And you know, if nothing else, it makes for a spare.
Right.
You don't have to eliminate the tire completely.
Right.
You can have an extra spare, or
Right.
you know, you might not want to. I know you guys don't say not to drive them on the interstate, stuff
Right.
like that, but it still makes a viable spare.
And it does.
That saves you, like you say, I spend $700 per tire. That right there is expensive.
Right.
And you cut through one of those sidewalls, you're like, now I have full tread on this tire and it's useless.
Right.
So
Right.
to me, that would be great for an extra spare.
Oh, and it absolutely is. And even like people who buy our product are buying it for the peace of mind. Like maybe they haven't had sidewall damage yet, but they're buying it like, if I ever get it, I know I have that peace of mind that it'll actually work and I'll be fine.
Right. Another key factor that I thought is I run a 40-inch tire.
Oh, yeah.
So in my JK, it is shoehorned into the back.
Yeah.
There's times where I don't feel like I need to carry it on the trail.
Yeah.
This would give me that peace of mind where I can leave my spare at home or on the trailer and go out and do my thing.
Oh,
and be able to
absolutely.
get back off the trail if I had an issue.
Absolutely. And it's funny you say a 40-inch tire. We just ran the Rubicon Trail where we slashed 4 40-inch tires and ran the entire Rubicon Trail with just our 4x4 kit.
Right. The guys you did that with, Jimmy Jet,
Oh, yeah.
that's one of our friends. We
No
went
kidding.
to Moab with him.
No kidding. That's
he,
awesome.
He joined us in Moab for our first trip,
That's
or our
awesome.
second trip to Moab.
Great
Yeah.
guys. Great
Very
guys.
great guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but yeah.
Amazing product.
Yeah, I mean, realistically, you could, depending on the severity of the damage, you could fix a sidewall and inflate your tire in about 5 minutes.
Right. That's key.
Right.
That's key. I mean, it's tough. Sometimes you're in a bad situation and you don't want to change that tire.
Right.
You tip your vehicle over trying to lift it up, anything like that. This is going to keep you from having to deal with
Oh,
that.
absolutely. And who wants to spend all day taking a tire off, putting a spare on?
Nobody
this
does.
Everybody is out there to ride, right? They want to get back on the trail as fast as possible. So our products are the best way to do that.
It looks like a great product. I'm looking forward to trying it out sometime.
Yeah,
Hopefully
absolutely.
we don't cut one of the expensive tires.
Right, absolutely. I hope you don't either.
But then again, it's Arizona. I can almost guarantee we're going to.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. We have a whole crew, and I guarantee one of our guys is going to need that soon.
Oh, absolutely. And it, like I said, we hope you never have to use it, but in the off chance you do, we're
Peace
glad
of mind.
it gives you the peace of mind. We're glad to.
Awesome. Well, we appreciate you, and thanks for having us out.
Yeah, thanks for coming by.
Go check out their products. This is going to save you a lot of issues on the trail. Peace of mind. Getting off the trail. It's like carrying a second spare. Go out and check them out.